We bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
NIOSH has two designations for oily-based particle disposable respirators, R95 and P95. The R rating is said to be somewhat resistant to oil. To sum up, a N95 disposable respirator does not protect against oily particles, a R95 does, a P95 also does and has a longer service life than the R95.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.